Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Penny explosion today over at the Dollar General. I probably have 400 penny items. A lot of this I have plans for. I've not lost my mind. But we're going to go through this bite by bite and where you can find this stuff in the store. I probably stopped penny shopping around 4 o'clock, and the last store that I went to around 4, I still found some items. So we're going to go through this, and you know what? If you're near a Dollar General, because there are so many categories, go and make it happen. You have nothing to lose. And honestly, if I had to fill up this table of all my possessions that I got today, I probably would need like 5 of these tables, which are pretty large. Because it's just so much stuff. So let's get right into this. I'm going to show you the items at the UPC and my little spiel of where I found them. And I would try and get out this weekend. It is worth your while. And you are scanning these items because I'm going to be showing you the barcodes known as UPCs. They should bring up at 0.00 for you in the store. And just to let you guys know, when you go to the register, that's a penny. So have some patience, have some time in the store, and this is a lot of fun. And because there are so many categories, there's so many little items still left in the store. Even if you go on Saturday or later tonight, I'm pretty sure you're going to find a lot of items. Because if I can find 400 and still find them at 4 o'clock, I mean, it's really, really fantastic. So we're just going to get right into this. And again, guys, have a lot of fun when you're out there in the store. The first item I was just delighted to see was this Nescafe. It doesn't expire for like a couple of months. It's an iced coffee, so it's an instant iced coffee. You put it with some water. It seems like magic for a penny. You just can't beat that. Other than the Easter candy, that's the only food item that I found today. This has been in the clearance section, I think, since the Dollar General was created. It's some sort of like kids computer thing. I just found it and scanned it randomly just in the regular toy section, and it was a penny. Maybe if the geeky banana saves is watching, she can let us know when it pennied out. This is only at select stores, this Hello Spring, because one store I found 7, they were all a penny, and then every other store it was full price. That's a weird one. This Hot Wheels is part of Easter. It's absolutely adorable. And it's a mini backpack with a whole bunch of little things like stickers and so on and so forth, little kids like. So I am just delighted with that. And it's Hot Wheels. How cute is that? Found the Hot Wheels item in the toy section. Okay, so this is the Penny Pens by Papermate. And if you look really carefully, it's the flare ones, all colored, and it has snowflakes. You have to look for the one with the packaging with the snowflakes. There are other ones that look very similar. These two, full price. So you will end up with a surprise of full price at the register. There's one that's scented and then one called Candy Pop. Full price. You want the one with the snowflakes? That's a penny. A friend of mine told me about it. It's a 24 pack of these super fancy markers. So if you're into adult coloring, this is the thing. And I found them in the regular aisle with all of the arts and crafts stuff on a sky shelf. I asked an employee for some help. How gorgeous are these markers? Now, I will let you guys know, many stores, the Easter stuff, completely cleared. One store I found a ton, but I think the memo was out first thing this morning where the employees were clearing everything really quick on this. Anything that says Happy Easter, it should ring up a penny. That includes the candy and the decor. To show you an example, these little eggs, they look kind of glittery and like a penny. That's such a great item. Even if you want to just donate them to a local church, they would love them. And then lots of gum and chocolate I found at this one store. And it was like 10 a.m. when I rolled in there, and I don't know, it was just like there was so much stuff. We have a SpongeBob it's like a for Easter, little Easter bunny, but all in chocolate. Looks so adorable. This is probably my favorite Easter find. I found an entire box of the Peeps slippers, and nobody bought a single one. So I'm very delighted to have those. A full Easter basket with Superman. I think my nephew is absolutely going to love this because he likes anything superhero. Initially $10, so for a penny, that is the right price. Found this in the summer aisles with all the summer stuff, and it is a book on Taylor Swift. It was part of Easter, a penny. It's fantastic. And I did buy it when it was the clearance event, and I did look through it. It's a great book, especially if you love Taylor Swift. And probably one of my favorite finds today, on a sky shelf, which is the tippy top shelf, was a Crayola display. These specific ones are a penny. So there's two light ups, and one is a reindeer and one is like a penguin. And the color whirls, the black one is full price. This blue one is a penny. Each display has about 6 of these. So just to show you the visuals, I grabbed one that looked like a fox, but that was full price. But this reindeer one, the baby reindeer, is a penny. So these are perfect for stockings. So I definitely am getting ready for next year, and they're so adorable. And Crayola is a great company. So I was just delighted to find all this, and most of the stores that had these still, or they didn't sell out, they put it on a sky shelf because the display was massive. So that's the tippy top shelf, and you guessed it, 1 penny. For the most part, we can't really mess around with the sky shelves. We always have to ask employees for help for these heavier items in case you hurt yourself. So yeah, for this one, it is a very heavy display and it's massive. So a penny, that's a really great price point. We have this kit with the Expo. It's a couple dry erase markers, an eraser, and then the liquid. What a great price point. An adult coloring puzzle book for a penny. This is part of like that fall stationery. Also part of the fall stationery is all this bread stuff. So there's erasers and stickers, and this is actually quite my vibe lately because I started making sourdough about a month ago, and it's just been such a great journey. Anything that looks like three-dimensional bread, definitely worth giving it a scan. This company, it's called Mission Ridge. This was harder to find. It's a gray dot product. You guessed it, 1 cent. It was such a bear of a winter. I think most Dollar Generals sold out of these because people were just like, hey, I need all of this. And I understand because it was such a cold and frigid winter. So anything with a gray dot, give it a scan. And I hope that you guys have some luck. And don't be shy, look high, look low, look throughout the store. And you need to give yourself a little bit of time in there. If you're just going to run in, twirl around 3 times and just like run out the door, you might not find it. But if you put a lot of love and care and just like super observant, you might find the mother lode. I was delighted to find one of these cute little hats. I think that's called a buffalo print. I absolutely love it. And for a penny, that's my price point. So I am definitely going to keep this one for myself. Another category is the red triangle. There's various fluffy, cozy socks. I found a ton of these slippers. Perfect for next Christmas. This one's with a cute little cowboy. Now into the blue dot, lots of these accessories. I know that some of them pennied out in select markets like a while back. It didn't happen around here, but most managers cleared this stuff like Tootswit. One store I did find a couple cute little items, very random items, but very delighted to find what I did. So really get out there, guys. Give this a shot. If you have a friend or like a mother-in-law, you can spend the afternoon together. Open up that Dollar General app, scan a bunch of stuff. The more observant you are, maybe a second set of eyes might help you out. I would go and make a day of it because this is a lot of fun and tons of cute little tank tops as well. These are blue dots, so I would definitely get out to the Dollar General, have a lot of fun, and good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.